Online students, please check. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Please respond in the chat, guys. Yes. Yeah, very good morning, guys. Very good morning. Yeah, you can hear me and you can see the screen. All right. So let us start our session here today. So guys, before starting our sessions, as always, let us just try to have a very small and a quick recap of the concepts which we had covered in our yesterday's class. So guys, yesterday we have started discussing about Java 8 features. So we have seen Lambda expressions, like what are Lambda expressions, how to use them, method references. I already said what is method references. Default method in interface. We have already covered that whenever we are dealing with interfaces concept. Did you remember that? Default method in interfaces, static method in interfaces, right? So yesterday we have got a little bit idea about what is the use of a functional interface also. So when you're speaking about functional interface, how many abstract methods should be there in functional interface? Only one abstract method. Only one abstract method. That one abstract method will be mapped with the Lambda expression. That is the only reason functional interface means you should be having only one abstract method, which has been introduced in Java 1.8 version. Now today we will be trying to discuss about Stream API. Stream API. Please keep your side heading as Stream API. Stream API. STREAM. Stream API. Right. Guys, first point which you need to remember whenever we are discussing about Stream API is Stream API is not IO streams. IO streams is different. Stream API is completely different. Generally, how many types of IO streams are there? 4. Byte streams, character streams, data streams, object streams. We are having separate buffered streams also, like buffered byte streams, buffered character streams. Okay, right now IO streams means IO streams are used to read and write the data from a file. When you are speaking about Stream API, guys, listen. Stream API is used to manipulate the data in collections. Stream API, that is actually introduced in Java 1.8 version. Stream API is used to manipulate the data. Stream API will not store the data. Instead, it will manipulate the data. For example, you are having a string. I mean, you are having an array list. In array list, you have stored all string data. You want to know which elements are less than or greater than 6. The length. Are you understanding me, guys? Okay. For example, just let me try to have void something like method 1. Now, just let me try to take an array list. ARRAY. Array list. Now, just let me try to go with like string, and here equal to AL belongs to array list like this, string. Now inside this array list, I'm just trying to pass some string data like Kishan AL dot add something like SUJATHA and something like AL dot add Vijay Vijay something like AL dot add Shrikant SRAEKANTH Shrikant and AL dot add Gauss GHOUSE Gauss, like this. Okay, now how many string elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In these 5 string objects, how many strings are having more than the length 6, greater than 6, only 1. Am I right or wrong? Only 1? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2. Come on, guys. This is one object and this is one object which is having more than the range, more than the length 6. You want to count that. You want to manipulate the data. If that is your requirements, we will be using Stream API. For example, let me just try to go with integer integer like this. Now just let me remove this data. Let me remove all this string data. And now simply I'm just trying to go with 50 and something like 2 and 15, some 35 and some 41 like this. Now all these are integers data. Now what you want to do, every element of this array list you want to multiply with 2. You want to multiply every element of this array list with 2. Means you want to manipulate the data. Guys, are you understanding me? If you want to manipulate the data, we need to use Stream API. So the first point is Stream API is not IO streams. Please note on that point. Stream API means not IO streams. Next point. IO streams are used to read and write the data, from a file. Read and write the data from a file. Stream API is used to manipulate the data of collection classes. Stream API is used to manipulate the data of collection classes. Next point. Stream API is introduced in Java 1.8 version. Java 1.8 version, comma, it implements functional style approach. It implements functional style approach to manipulate the data. Functional style approach to manipulate the data. Next point. Streams are used for reading the elements. Streams are used for reading the elements, but not for storing the data. But not for storing the elements. But not for storing the elements. Guys, these are methods which are present in Stream API. Can you please write all these methods right now? All these methods, please. Stream method, filter method, map method, count method, sorted, collect method, and collectors class. COLLECTORS, collectors class. Collectors class. Right. Then, right. Okay. Guys, you know what is a functional interface? Functional interface means an interface which is having only one abstract method. Examples of some functional interface. See, serializable is a functional interface. Runnable. Serializable is a marker interface. Serializable, clonable, that is a marker interface. Runnable is a functional interface, right? There are some more functional interfaces like consumer, predicate, function, supplier, like some functional interfaces. Do me a favor. Can you please first have this box table of contents in your notes right now? Please. I'll explain. First, write this table. Please, first write this table. Just write it. I'll explain. Uday, not functional. Function. I'll explain, guys. Don't worry. First, write it. Try to understand what is present here. All these are functional interfaces. Consumer, functional interface. Predicate, functional interface. Function, functional interface. Supplier, functional interface. Come on, go ahead. Kiranmai, yes, I will share this in our Google Classroom, but I want you to please write it now. There is a reason why I'm asking you to write. Please, guys, I will share all this content in the Google Classroom. No worries, but there is a strong reason I request you to write them. Please. Okay. Just read and understand. Try to understand, Kiranmai. 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. Completed. 1 more minute. 1 more minute. Just 1 more minute. Just 1 more minute. Please. Right. I hope it's done for everyone. Right. Now, just a small question. Just a small question. Buddy, you. What do you know about consumer? Just by observing that line, tell me. What do you know about consumer? Consumer is not an abstract method. No. Consumer is a functional interface. Okay. Then look and tell me. Look and tell me. Consumer is a functional interface. When you are speaking about interface, why you are discussing about return type? No. See, please, guys, please observe here. This is a functional interface. For example, you know about runnable? If I want to, like, if I ask you, say something about runnable interface, what you will say? First point, runnable is a functional interface. After that, next point. Inside this functional interface, you are having only one abstract method. What is that? Run method. Public void run method. Am I right or wrong? Now, please tell me. Say something about consumer. Consumer is a functional interface which is having only one abstract method. What is the name of that abstract method? Accept. What is the name of that abstract method? Accept. Now, is this a parameterized method or non-parameterized method? Parameterized method. Sir, what is T? Guys, T means type. Type. We'll understand it. Don't worry. As of now, kindly please do remember, this is a parameterized method. Is it going to return anything? Is it going to return anything? Nope. Why? Because what is the what is the return type of accept method? Void. Am I clear with this, guys? Come on, please tell me. Now, once again, guys, online students, I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. right now I'm discussing about consumer interface. Now, if in interview, if anyone asks you what is consumer, how we are supposed to answer? Consumer is a functional interface. Functional interface means an interface which is having only one abstract method, and the single abstract method present inside consumer interface is what is abstract method? Accept. Accept is a single parameterized method and it will not return anything. Is it clear, guys, for everyone? Please tell me yes or no. Right. Now let me come to my code. All right. Now here, okay, guys, I'm just having an array list. Okay. Tell me how many types of control statements are there? Answer. What are those? Selection, iteration, and jump statements. In iteration statements, how many are there? What are those? While, do while, for, and. Guys, for each is a loop. You already know that. By using for each loop, we can retrieve the data from arrays and collections also. We have already seen that. Now, from Java 1.8 version onwards, there is a new method, and that method name is for each. What is that method name? For each. For each is not only a loop from Java 1.8 version onwards, it is also a new method. Am I clear with this? Right now, I will be trying to use that for each method to retrieve the data. Generally, guys, if we want to retrieve the data from this array list, what are our options? We'll be using for loop. We'll be using for each loop. We'll be using iterator. Guys, yes or no? Right now, please observe here. Please observe. AL. Guys, after this, you need to write it by your own. I don't want the program to be copied. Try to write it by your own. Okay? Please observe. I'm using for each. For each method is present in every collection class. Collection classes. Example, array list, linked list, vector, hasset, linked hasset. Am I clear with this, guys? Now, AL dot for each. For each. Now, if you observe, I am getting an error. Am I getting an error? Why I am getting an error? Because for each method is a parameterized method. Which accepts consumer interface as a parameter. Which interface? Consumer. Now, guys, answer me a question. In consumer interface, how many abstract methods are there? Answer. Only one abstract method. What is the name of that abstract method? Accept. Is there any implementation present for that method? No, that is an abstract method. Abstract method does not have any method body. Am I right or wrong? Come on. Now, can I write a lambda expression for that abstract method present in consumer interface? Yes, I can do that. Guys, please observe here. Simply what I'll be doing, you know how to write a lambda expression, right? First, what we need to write? Parenthesis, after that, comma, like that. But here, guys, accept method. Is it a parameterized method or non-parameterized method? So we need to pass a parameter. Am I right or wrong? So let me try to pass a parameter as data. Sir, what is this data? Guys, it is just a identifier name. Data represents each object, each element. For example, in the place of data, can I write P? Yes. Can I write yes? Yes. Can I write value? Yes. Are you understanding me, guys? So right now, value system.out.println, system.out.println value, value. Are you understanding me, guys? Now, what I want you to do is, please don't check all this. Do me a favor. Just try to, okay, let me cut it now. Let me open this. Okay. Now, guys, for this accept abstract method, can I write a lambda expression like this? Yes or no? Tell me. Yes. How many parameters accept method is having? Only one parameter. How many parameters my lambda is having? Only one parameter. Only one parameter. And what I am trying to do, I am trying to print that value. I'm just trying to print. Sir, what is this value? Guys, value is just an identifier. Okay, sir, what will be present in that value? Guys, the data which is present in your array list. So right now, if I write like this, what is my expected output? 50, 2, 15, 35, 41. I'm just trying to print by using for each method. Now my question is, for each method is introduced in which version? Answer. Java 1.8. For each method. Is it a parameterized method or non-parameterized method? Which parameter for each method will accept? Consumer. Consumer. What do you know about consumer? It is a functional interface which is having only one abstract method. What is that abstract method? Accept. Now, this is the lambda expression which you are writing for that accept method, which is present in that consumer interface. Now, just let me go to my main method. Now, inside my main method, just new class A dot method 1. Now please observe, right click, run as Java application. We'll be able to retrieve the data. Just with one line, we are able to retrieve the data. If you are using iterator, we need to write 3 to 4 lines. If you are using for loop, also same. For each loop, also same. But if you are using for each method, just with one line, we can retrieve the data. Can you please read this statement from me? Please. When used properly, Stream API allows us to reduce a huge amount of code. Are you understanding me, guys? Now, write a program to implement for each method. Go ahead. Go ahead. Question. Write a program to implement for each method. For each method in your program. Or else, sorry, write a program to implement for each method. Dot. That's it. Write a program to implement for each method. Go ahead. The program is on the board. If you are having any doubts, you can see that. Now, guys, just one small tip like you. Please check this. Here, how many parameters we are having? Come on, only one parameter. If you are having only one parameter, no need to write these parentheses also. No need to write the parentheses also. But you just try to write it. Why? Because you should be having more practice, or else you'll be getting confused. For example, in lambda expressions, if you are having only one single statement, no need to write cloud bases. Yesterday I said that. Did you remember that? Like that, if you are having only one parameter, no need to write this parenthesis also. But for you, no problem. Please write. Please write. If you are having doubts, please feel free to check the program. No problem. First time, it's okay. No issues. But kindly please do more practice. I'm requesting you. Please. Very good, Rakesh. That is good. Perfect, Shanti. Perfect, Amma. Completed? One more minute. One more minute. Just one more minute. Guys, remember, Stream API is not for storing the data. It is for manipulating the data, which is present in collections, not for storing. Right, done. Completed? Okay. Now, let me do one thing. Just let me remove this. Like this. Previous data. Previously, first I had written a program like this, right? Okay. So simply what I did, I have taken an array list of string. Okay, I pass some data. Kishan, Sujata, Vijay, Shrikant, Gauss. Every time I'll be using the same names, right? I think I already said you. Yes? No? These are my MCA gang. 5 members. MCA classmates. All these are my classmates. And still 2 classmates are still together. And this guy is working in Accenture. I mean, these 2 guys are working in Accenture, and he is present in Dubai. Right, right. Yeah, he's also software engineer. Everyone, all our team are software engineers on. Right. Okay. Now, right now, please check this, guys. Please check this. Right now, what I want to do, I just want to check the strings which are having more than the length 6. Okay. Right. Right now, guys, first listen, understand. Later, try to write it by your own. Okay. Right now, I'm going to use a method. That method name is stream. 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 AL dot stream. AL dot stream. Guys, we have used iterator method. Did you remember that? AL dot iterator. What that iterator method will return? Iterator only. Come on, guys, yes or no? Like that, AL dot stream method will return stream. 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 Just let me go with like S1. Like this. Just let me try to import that stream. Stream is present in java.util. Okay. Now just let me try to use the generics string string like this. Now from this stream, guys, once again I'm saying you, stream is used to manipulate the data. It will not store the data anywhere. Okay. Now please check this. I want to use filter method. S1 dot FILTER filter method. Right. Let me remove this. Now, guys, for each method, is it a parameterized method or non-parameterized method? Answer, please. Which parameter for each method will accept? Consumer interface. What is the method present in that consumer interface? Accept. Now, filter method is also a parameterized method. Filter method is also a parameterized method which accepts predicate. What is that predicate? Can you please check? Predicate. Come on. Predicate is a functional interface which is having one method. What is that method? Test method. Now, what is the return type of the test method? Boolean. Now, is it a parameterized method or non-parameterized method? How many parameters it accepts? Only one parameter. Now, what I want to do, I want to write a lambda expression for this test method, which is present in this predicate functional interface. Now, please observe here, guys. Just let me try to write data. Okay. Lambda expression operator. Data dot length should be, let me go with like greater than 6. Like this. Guys, can I remove this parenthesis? Can I remove this parenthesis? Online students, please tell me. Guys, please tell me. Respond in the chat. Please respond in the chat. Can I remove those parentheses? Of course, yes. Of course, yes. Now, please check this. I am trying to remove these parentheses also. Like that. Now, it is going to give me one more string. One more stream. STRAM stream. Just let me try to go with like string string like this. Now, please observe here. S2 dot count. S2 dot count. It is going to give me a long value. Long val equal to like this. Now after that, system dot out dot println val. Just okay. VAL val like that. Now let me go to my main method. Main method. Now inside my main method, simply I'm trying to create an object here. Just new class A dot method one like this. Now, what is my expected output here? What is my expected output? How many elements are greater than 6? 1 and 2. Right click, run as Java application. If I'm trying to write less than 6, now tell me, less than 6. 1, 2, 3. Right click, run as Java application. Why guys? Why guys? I did not give equal to. If I give equal to, right click, run as Java application, 3. Come on guys, you already know these operators. Yes? Please tell me. Right. So we have first, which method we have seen? For each method. First we have seen for each method. For each method will accept consumer as a parameter. In consumer interface, you are having which method? Accept method. Second, we are seeing filter method. Filter method will accept which interface? Which interface? Predicate. In predicate interface, which method we are having? Test method. Test method. Now, what is the return type of this test method? Boolean. It is just going to accept only one parameter. So we are trying to write only one parameter and we are giving a condition like that. So it is going to check. It is going to test the condition and it will be returning either true or false. So as I said, guys, data first iteration, Kishan will be there. Second iteration, Sujata will be there. Third iteration, Vijay will be there. Like that, all these iterations will be, all these data will be present inside this object value and we'll be trying to get our data value. As simple as it is. My question is, guys, in the place of data, can I write val? Please tell me, can I write val? Yes, I can write. I can write. Guys, I hope you're understanding me. Right. Come on, please. Please have this program for me. Please have this program. Go ahead. If possible, try to write it by your own. If possible. Please. Online students, I hope it's clear, guys. Yeah, you are changing. Sivaprasad, we are changing. We are changing the original data. Raghuvaran, filter method will accept only predicate functional interface. So whatever the lambda expression which you are giving, it should be mapped with predicate interface only. Raghuvaran, are you understanding me? See, stream. Did you understand what I said just now? Please tell me. Filter method will accept only predicate interface. Okay, just please, just let me try to open the, guys, just a second. Let me try to open the internal implementation of this filter method. Now, please check this filter. What parameter it will accept? Only predicate. Inside this predicate interface, this predicate is a functional interface. Now, inside this predicate interface, what is the method you're having? Test method. So instead of getting like this, it will be easy for you. I get the data like this. I hope it's okay for everyone. Please go ahead. It will not accept any other parameter, Raghuvaran. Yeah, Krishna, yes, it is iteration. Ashish, if increment, if you're trying to write increment at the place of length, will it compatible with the string value? If it is compatible with the string value, you can write, no problem. Just please check that. Completed? One more minute. Right. Shabazz, just wait. Still, Stream API is not completed. Please wait. Okay. Shah, Sahibaz Shah Muzaffar. Just a minute. Yeah, just please wait. Okay, guys, I hope it's completed. Now, we'll do one thing. Let me try to remove this. Let me try to remove this data. Now, okay, I will be going with INTGR integer data. INTGR integer data right now. Okay. Now, you know why I'm getting an error here, right? Why I'm getting an error? Why? Because I have used generics. Exactly. Just let me try to go with like 50. Some integer data, 25, something like 41, some 2, and 20, like this. Okay, now system.out.println, just I'm trying to print my array list. Guys, please observe, just please observe. I'm just trying to print my array list, and this is my data. This is my data. Okay. Now, yes, Stream API that is used to manipulate the data. Right now, what I want to do is I want to change every element which is present in my array list. It should be multiplied with 2. Yes, let's go. Now, please observe here what I'll be trying to do. al dot stream, what it is going to return? What it is going to return? Stream, stream, stream. Just let me go with S1. Now, generic, integer, integer. Okay. Now, please observe which method I'm using. S1 dot map. S1 dot map. Now, guys, please, once again, answer. Please answer. Please answer. Concentrate. Please answer. For each method, what is the parameter for each method? Which parameter? Consumer interface. You can check and tell me. You have already written. You already done the table. For each method, consumer is the parameter. In consumer interface, which method you are having? Accept. Done. For filter method, what is the parameter? Come on, what is the parameter? Predicate. In predicate functional interface, what is the method you are having? Test. Test. I mean, the return type is Boolean. Now, when you are coming to map method will accept function as a parameter. What is this function, guys? Function that is a functional interface which is having only one abstract method. What is the name of that abstract method? Apply. Apply. Is it a parameterized method or non-parameterized method? Parameterized method. Now, what this apply method will be doing, apply method will accept only one parameter and it is going to perform some actions. Now, what I am trying to do here, I am trying to write a lambda expression for that apply method, which is present in this functional interface. Guys, is it clear? Now, please observe here. Just I'll do one thing. Let me try to take num like this lambda expression operator, just num into 2. That's it. What is this num? It is just an identifier name. And what is the data present inside this num? First iteration 50, second iteration 25, third iteration 41, 2, 20, like that. Are you understanding me, guys? Every element which is present in my array list will be multiplied into 2. And now please observe here. Just let me try to go with stream stream s2 integer integer. Now s2 dot collect collectors dot to list method. Just let me try to equal to list li like this. Let me try to import list, and here this is a integer like this. Guys, I'll explain. Don't worry. Very simple. Very simple. Now, what I'm trying to do here, first, I'm using stream method from my array list. From this stream method, it is going to return me a stream of data. From that stream of data, I'm trying to use which method? Map method. What is the parameter which is accepted by this map method? Parameter. Come on. Which parameter? Function. Function is a parameter which is accepted by this map method. In that functional interface, which method is there? Apply method is there. Now, this is a lambda expression for that apply method. Now, this data, again, I'll be trying to get the data in a stream. From that stream, I'm trying to get the data in the form of list. So just I have used collect method, which will be used to convert my data which is present in my stream to list. Now simply system.out.println li. If I'm trying to write li right now, please observe the output. Is my every data manipulated by multiplied into 2? As simple as this. Please have this program for me. Please. 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 Shebaz. Musafir. Clear, buddy? That is great. That is great. Pleasure. Compatible. Pawan. But you need to typecast them. Kindly please do remember. Okay. Guys, please practice. Please practice. Very, very, very easy concept this is. You just need to practice. That's it. Please. Please. So remember, guys, remember here first we are calling stream method. Stream method is going to return stream. Stream means data which is present in your collection class. From that stream, we are calling map method. What this map method will be doing? Map method is a parameterized method which will accept function as a parameter. What is that function? Function is a functional interface which is having only one abstract method. And what is that abstract method? Apply. Now this is the lambda expression which you are writing it for that apply method. So after implementing this data, again this map method is going to return as a stream. From that stream of data, we are trying to convert that stream of data into a list so that we can perform our operations. As simple as this. Krishna. Right. Now, guys, completed? Yes or no? Right now, guys, generally not yesterday's, day before yesterday's class, I believe you have remembered comparable and comparator, right? We have literally used one complete session for understanding comparable and comparator, like in order to sort the data. Come on. Now I'm trying to sort the data. Please observe. I'm removing this. Guys, I'm removing this. I'm removing this. Okay. Now, up to now, is it clear for everyone? Up to here. Up to here. Yes? Online students, please tell me. Guys, please tell me. Up to now, is it clear for everyone? Just I have taken an array list. I pass some integer values and I'm using stream method. Okay. Now, please observe here. S1 dot sorted. Just one single method. Just one single method. Now equal to stream stream integer integer. Let me go with like S2. For example, can I write like this? No? Yes? No, very simple, very, very simple. What I am doing here, I am trying to call stream method. What stream method will return? A stream. On top of it, I'm using sorted method. Within just, I have written only one line. That's it, not more than that. Online students, did you understand? Guys, did you understand? Did you understand this code? Please tell me, please tell me. Yes, very good. Now, guys, I want to get this stream as a list. Can you please tell me the code, how to do it? Just now you have written that. Just now. Tell me. S1 dot. Come on. S1 dot collect. Inside parenthesis. Collectors dot to list. And it is going to give me a list. Just integer integer. Let me go with like a li. Okay. And here system.out.println li. Right click, run as Java application. Is our data sorted? As simple as it is. If we are using comparable and comparator, how much lengthy code we need to write? Did you remember that? But here, just one line. That's it. The data will be sorted. As simple as it is. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Just please have these lines also in your program. Just now we have written a program, right? In the program, just please try to have this. Easy, stream API. Come on. It is easy. Just practice. Just please practice. See how easily we have completed stream API. The only thing is, in order to understand stream API, you should be having prerequisites. That is functional interfaces, Lambda expressions. If you are having that concept in your mind, then it will be very, very, very easy for you. Right? All right. So guys, by this we have done with our stream API. Tomorrow we'll be trying to go with remaining features of Java 8. which are very, very still important. And please be on time. Why you came by 7:45 today? Please be on time, at least by 7:30. Please make sure everyone should be present in the class. Okay, guys. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. And yeah, it is mandatory, Uday. It is mandatory, or else you cannot print it. All right. So, guys, yes, that's it. That's it for today. Thank you. Thank you for listening. And yes, still, guys, I'm getting your reviews. Shravanti, Chandini. Yeah, I got your review, ma. That is nice. I got your review in the Google class. I mean, in our Google reviews. That is very good. Thank you for that. All right, guys. So tomorrow we'll be trying to continue with remaining concepts in our Java 8 features. Okay. And guys, please do me a favor. Practice. Practice. If you are not practicing, watching Chinese movie with Malayalam subtitles. If you practice, you will enjoy the code. Please, 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 please practice. Okay. Uday, you're asking, sir, how to give review. Okay. Guys, I already said how to give review. Okay. No issues. Just please go to Google. Go to Google. Enter Naresh IT Durga Bhavani Plaza like this. Okay. Now just scroll down here. You will be having your reviews. 4,000. This here 4,322 reviews will be there. Just give a click on that and go to write a review. Just post it. I mean, your rating, and post it. And don't forget to mention my name there. Okay, so that I'll be understanding that whose review is that. Okay. All right, guys. That's it, guys. That's it for today. That's it for today. Subham, the thing is, recorded videos will not be available with me. Trust me when I say that. I don't have those recorded videos. If they are having recorded videos, I'm having recorded videos means I can, but I don't have that. Okay. Rakesh, by the end of the session, I'll be trying to provide my email ID. By the end of the session, I'll be trying to provide my email ID. Last session, last day. Okay. Please mail me. I'll try to help you with that. Okay. Ahmad, can you come on, Ahmad? Strings are immutable, buddy. You already know that. Yes or no? Tell me. Strings are mutable or immutable? Mutable. Hey. Immutable. Strings are immutable. So can we change strings? Subham? No, not Subham. Who asked this? Ahmed. No. I hope it's clear for you. All right. All right, guys. That's it. That's it for today. Thank you. Thank you for listening. We'll be trying to continue our session again by tomorrow. Have a great day, guys. Thank you. Yeah, sure. Rakesh, sure. All right, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Have a great day, guys. Thank you.